Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the sublimation clocks with the motors and everything. So first, when you get everything out, you should have the motor. Some of them have this, some of the other batteries actually have like little hooks already. So what you're going to be wanting to do, just sort of to get everything set up, just to put it on like that, if you need to. Then you have the rubber mat there, and then so you just put that on top like so. So at this point, the clock, and that there. Okay, so now you get the washer. You've got this little contact here. Okay, so next you have the hour hand. Put that on. The second.
Oh, that looks fiddly.
There you go. And that's how you initially get it all set up.